Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are a permanent subscriber, welcome back and thank you very much for tuning in today. Here you can find unboxing, haul, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video, I just want to share with you an unboxing, and this one is very special and excited for me because it's something that I've been wanting for the longest time, for months and months. I keep trying to convince myself, or at least I was holding back to this buying this product because I want to make sure that it's something that I really like, that is something that I really want, and it's something that I really can get a good use of it. I realized that I need something compact, something small. I went to the store and I totally forget about trying this bag, and it was in my mind, but I tried so many other bags that I have in my wish list for the future, and I feel like that said associate was rushing a lot. I forgot that time my license in the car, so I had to go, and then I had to come back to do the purchase of the Speedy, and I totally forgot to try this one. So let's open this bag and see. I text my CA, so I asked her if she had this bag in stock, so she said yes, she had a few at the store, and I request, please can you pick one for me that the zipper are very smooth, that is not being put in display, that a lot of people haven't touched it or tried it on or nothing like that, so the best one that you could find there. And she texted me back and she told me that she found one that was like a kind of in the back of all of them, and the zipper is very smooth because I really request that. I've been watching a lot of videos and it seems like they all had a problem with a zipper, and I really want to make sure this one here. It's tiny, it's so small, the bags. I hope it's not. I wasn't expecting this to be that small. It's very small. Oh my gosh, but let's see. So this is the bags, and let's open it, okay? So this is a magnetic bags. You can see. Wow. Right here, her name is Amy. She's from the Louis Vuitton King Approach Mall, and she sent me, oh wow, she sent me this little pouch, such a cute pouch, which I love it. A lot of samples, like perfume sample. Wow, it's a lot. So she sent me 6 of them. I'm gonna put the pouch here. This is one. This is another one. I don't know the name. I don't want to even try. My accent is hard enough, so with the English I don't want to even try to pronounce it, but this is the one that she sent me. I can't wait to try it. I really would like to buy one, but I want to try it and see if it's something, which one I really love, and then I will go from there. So going back to the bag, this is right here, and I'm gonna move the bags away. Okay, so let's open it. Ooh. Oh my, I'm so excited, but so scared. this is, it is very small. Oh my. Oh, I guess I had to fix this. So this is the bag. In camera look big. Let me tell you, look very big in camera, but it's not that big. So that's my first impression. It's cute. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. So smooth. It's made in France. Say right there, made in France. So that's very nice. And yes, guys, like you guys, I mean, I'm happy about it. I'm very happy with the bag. Definitely very cute. Love it. But yes, it's very small. I think it will fit what I need to, but it's small. So go to the store, try to look at it, because just in case you don't want to be disappointed with the size. But it's very cute. I like it. I really like it. It looks so chic. And all this video that I've been watching, people wasn't like it. It's so pretty. It looks so beautiful, so classic, so nice. Definitely we go with anything. It's so pretty, even just like this. Like, it's so pretty. I love it. I'm really happy about it. Very cute. Very cute. Very pretty. This is how it looks next to me. I'm really happy about it. I love it. I really like it. Everything look perfect. Perfect. Everything look beautiful. But something important, I do not want to like let it go. Let's check the zipper. It is smooth. Can you see this? Let me get closer. Look. No effort at all. Very smooth. Super smooth. One hand. No effort at all. Super smooth up to the bottom, then going up. That was my main concern. The other side, bottom. Beautiful. So I'm really happy about the zipper smooth. I had to test her. Really, you know, let her know that she did a great job picking one that have really smooth zip. I decided to grab this one before it keep increasing the prices, but it looks so pretty. We have some more shot so you guys can see what it look on me. I'm 5'7", but yeah, this is the bag. It's very pretty. I really love it. And it's the ALMA BB handbag trace. It's been introduced in 1934. The signature and the detail impact the elegance and timeless piece, which you can see is just so beautiful. And it's in the mere event canvas, the golden potluck, which, let me look for it, I forgot about it. And the zipper is so smooth, guys. So if you really want to find one try to go to the store, try to check all of the ones they have, you know, if you don't have a CA, check the zipper. The zipper is very smooth. So this is, I'm all over the place with this unboxing. So this is the bag. This is how I open. I love red inside there. So you have, let me put it right there. So you have the leather strap with everything we have right here. They say LV. It's pretty cool. I think this is the treated leather. And then we have the little packet, very small packet there. I don't know what could fit there. It's a lot of little paper. Oh, it's a little piece of leather thing in the packet, but and a lot of paper. ALMA BB, the miel pen, the number, and all that. It's a nice, I love the structure of this bag. I really love it. I really love it. So even sunglasses or something that you can put in here, it won't get damaged, you know, because it's a structure. I love it. And I love that it seems small, but it's very spacious inside. Look at that hole there. Like, it looks very cool. It will perfect be enough. I'm really excited about it. So this is the other pouch that was inside there, and I assume, okay, so the key is this, 2 key, and is this cute right here. Let me see. Wow, it's very pretty. It's a Louis Vuitton Paris. Oh, it's so pretty, it's so shiny. And the BLB here. I'm excited about this one too because I don't want to put it in the bag. I don't think it will, like, I don't know, it's a great concept of like putting there is an extra little detail, but I prefer, let me see if I can open it. I just want to do this. Oh, is it open? I will put it with the big. Let me see, guys. I'm looking at the camera right there. Actually, let me see. It won't fit in that little hole. Okay. So I guess I'm just gonna put it here. I'm gonna close. Ooh. I don't know. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below if I should leave it like this, if it's something that you will use like that, if it look good. I usually use more simple jewelry stuff, but I like this one. Maybe if it was smaller, but it's like so. The gold tone of this is beautiful. I'm into gold color too. Oh, I really like this one. I just want to let you know that yes, it's a way. Try to find a CA. If not, go to the store, check the bag, check the zipper, and check everything to see if it's something that you really like. This, I really like it. I'm in love with it. And for the price so far, even is going up at this point right now, it's a lot. You get a lot for the money, a lot for the money. So you get all these little accessories, you get all, you know, like this key holder or pouch or whatever, and then the strap and all that. So it's pretty cool, pretty good. This is beautiful beautiful bag. I really love it. I love it more in person. I'm so glad that I'm not regretting purchase this. That was my worst fear, that I wouldn't like it, you know, and I really don't want to be sending stuff back and returning anything. So yes, I love it. Look at how cute. It just brings you to another level. I mean, I'm so happy about it. So happy about it. So yes, it's worth it so far. I haven't tried it, like I said, just unboxing, but I love it so far. So I'm gonna try the most, gonna use it the most I can, so I can give you guys a review of from my point of view. So let's see. This is all, guys. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're thinking in purchase one, or if you have one already, what you love or what you don't like about it. Thank you very much for watching. Share this video to anybody that you think we love to know a little bit more about this beauty right here. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.